Hello everybody, this is Betsy, and I am coming to you from the Heart and Soul Fitness studio in Elkton, Virginia, where we've been having some new classes, Strengthen Up at Heart and Soul Fitness. So this is our Great Are You Lord stretch routine, so hope you enjoy it, and we want to say thanks to Dana and Rosie for welcoming us into the Heart and Soul studio, so come see us soon. We're going to look to the right and stretch our neck, and to the left. Gentle stretch. Look at me. We're going toes in front, inside thigh stretch.
You are love. You bring light to the dark.
And left. So only go to a point that's mild tension. Not too much for you. Heart cross. Pull your shoulder blades together. Leaning to the right. Stretch everything. Reach through those fingertips. Down, up. Again. Lean right. Down, up, keep your navel tight. Heart cross. This is one of our opportunities for worship and workout as we cool down and stretch after our strength training. To the side, heel to the floor, calf muscle. Tuck your pelvis forward, calf or hamstring, quad hip flexor. Bring it center, heart cross. Reach through everything. Lean to the right. Down, up. Big arms. And again. Down, up. Reach through all those stretches. It's His breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We are healthy and able to get stronger only because of His breath in our lungs. Heart cross. Breathe deep. Roll those shoulders. We're facing this side, heel to that floor. Calf muscle. Tuck your pelvis forward, quad hip flexor. Bring those toes center. Lean into your side oblique. Come around, face the right corner, abdominal stretch. Center. And left corner. Turn your toes out, stretch. Come down if you prefer or not. Step together. Right side, lean it. Breathe it in. Down, up. Worship. Down, up. Keep it going. It's His breath in our lungs. Great job on that cool down choreography, an opportunity to worship and work out after your strength training at rengthenUp. So again, come on out and check us out as our new Heart and Soul Fitness opportunities Tuesday mornings at 10 a.m. This is during January 2020 in case you are seeing this later. You are accepted at our classes. We are thankful for you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.